Hey guys, it's Priscilla Ono, global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty, and today I'm going to show you guys how to color correct for hyperpigmentation using our Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. So I'm going to get right into concealing these dark spots. So I'm going to take the Pro Filter Concealer in the color 440, which is her exact color, and I'm just laying some of that concealer directly with my wand. I'm just trying to go over the darker areas to really help lighten and brighten them up. You want to make sure that when you're using concealer, that you want to use the color that is the exact match of your foundation so that you don't create any kind of cast or grayness over the darker spot. Now I'm going to take our little precision sponge, the more pointier sponge, and I'm just patting the product in, kind of buffing around the edges of the application to make sure that it blends in perfectly to her actual skin tone. Not only does it brighten the skin, but it also creates this really flawless finish. Now also too, for any dark spots over the lip, you can take the precise wand and just cover up any of the dark areas. It's going to help neutralize any of the dark spots. And again, this color is just going to bring a little bit of brightness into the skin so that her skin looks really nice and even and you don't see the hyperpigmentation underneath the skin. So Jessica is 190 in our Pro Filter foundation, so I'm going to take 190 in our Pro Filter concealer, and I'm going to use this as a color corrector. I don't want to use a concealer that's lighter than her skin tone, so usually that would be like your actual concealer shade. So I'm going to go into 190 concealer, and I'm going to take our little precision sponge, the more pointier one, and I'm just going to dip on the back of my hand. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start to go over all of those areas that have a little bit of hyperpigmentation or your dark spot areas, but not applying too much to where you get too much product into any of the fine lines or creases around the eyes. Because it's more of a soft matte versus a full-on matte, it's really comfortable for dry skin to wear as well. It's just all about your application. So now we're gonna apply concealer underneath her eyes, and I'm gonna use the applicator. And I love this unique doe foot because you can actually apply the perfect amount of concealer depending on your needs. And a couple of tips for people out there with dry skin. I recommend applying this under the eyes with the actual applicator and then going in with the little precision sponge and using it damp and making sure that you press the product all the way into the skin. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you guys have any questions about concealer or hyperpigmentation, make sure that you comment below.